This high-spec microwave comes complete with grill functionality, offering you complete control over your microwave cooking. It allows you to choose from 40 preset menus or 5 different power levels for manual control. Featuring Candy's CookInApp, this is more than just your standard microwave. Through the app, you'll learn tips and tricks that suggest different uses of the microwave and 30 different types of food, how to cook them, and their benefits. Explore 70 fast and smart, tried and tested recipes, all waiting to be discovered in the app, complete with tray, grill rack, and crisper plate, allowing you to cook food similar to the oven, crisp up potatoes or chips, and make the most of your new cooking appliance. With added convenience comes the jet and weight defrost options to ensure your foods are ready for cooking, and the express cooking option for quick and easy starts. Watching out for those wandering little fingers, this microwave has a child safety lock for your peace of mind. And when your cooking is done, you'll be notified by the end of cooking signal. A great addition to any home, this microwave with grill from Candy.